Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. And that product name is Mech Wallet. I'm purchasing this product for official website pumpcube.com. This is the Mech Wallet. This one is for especially if you have multiple credit card, debit card, and you carry some of the cash. So this problem very easily solved if you purchase Mech Wallet. This product available for some different varieties here. The prices also including which product you want purchase. Accordingly you should decide. The product price is $69. So now we will do unboxing and let's check it out which types of product I'm receiving. So close to the camera. So this is the product. I just simply open here. The product come in Hong Kong. Box is empty. So look at this, the quality of the product. Model is 8807. Some basic model Mech Wallet designed by the Pumpcube Inc. We can open here. Okay, boom. Inside the box, here is our product. Here is some of the instruction. Don't push from this side, you should push this side. The basic, you can say this is the magic booklet, simple and very small. And here is our product. So look at this. If you have card, credit card, debit card, so you should put it here. And this one is you can fix here to here and then carry your wallet and bag as well. So you should decide. I just simply show it to you how to fix card here. So here is my card. It's really nice. All cards automatically fix here. After that you can open like this. This is the amazing product, really. So many cards. So let's see how many cards is fixed here. I will show you. This one is a 3, this one is 4, 5, this one is 7, 6, and this is the 7. So 7 card you can very easily fix here. If you want open like this, afterward it's very easy. Open this card like this. It's very easy and this quality is really amazing. I'm using this wallet especially in my Tesla car. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.